How to refuel Pmdg 737. By the end of this video, you will have a good idea on how to manage the Pmdg 737 refueling. Let's first see how to accomplish a planned refuel. Then later on in this video, we will see also how to accomplish an unplanned refuel. Planned refueling is the total fuel quantity required for an existing flight plan. So we need a flight plan first, then we calculate from there the total fuel required. There is many software which can calculate this fuel. In this video, I will use a free online software. It is called Online Flight Planner. Using Google, find the website by typing the keyword Online Flight Planner. In the Google search result, click on the one which has onlineflightplanner.org. Check the box next to .rte Pmdg. This will generate the route file for our FMS. Enter the departure airport IQ identifier. In this example, I enter CYUL. Same thing with the destination. I enter in this example CYQM. We need to find our air rack cycle identifier. To do so, we go to our CDU ident page. If you are in the menu page, select FMC, you will land by default to ident page. Below the nav data, we read air rack 1309. 1309 is our air rack cycle. If you are in a page other than the menu page, to find ident page, select init ref, then index, then ident. Again, you can find your air rack cycle here. Select 1309 in air rack cycle menu. Enter approximately your cruising altitude range. In our example, we will fly between flight level 250 and flight level 330. Since we are flying above flight level 180, for the level we select high. Select the aircraft type from the aircraft menu. In this example, I will select Boeing 737-800. Select your desired fuel unit. In our example, we will select the pound. Check your desired box to generate seeds and stars, etc. Click on Create Plan. Now the flight planner is creating the route and the fuel required to fly this route. Remember, the flight plan and the planned fuel are correlated. Now our planned fuel is the fuel required on board. In our case, it is 14,649 pounds. Since this fuel is related to only our current flight plan, we need first to enter our flight plan on our FMS, then we enter the planned fuel after. We can enter the flight plan manually using the route details generated by the software, or simply we enter the route file directly to the Pmdg flight plan file. To do so, click on Go to the Files, Then click on the file with the RTE extension. Save the file. Go to the downloads, then open the containing folder. Copy the root file. Open FSX file. Go to Pmdg file. Then click on Flight Plans file. Open NGX file, then finally we paste our root file there. Remember the root file name. We need this to enter our flight plan in the FMS later. The route file now is stored in our FMS flight plans. Let's now enter the route in our CDO route page. Select route key, type the route name. In our case, it is COIUL COIQM. Select company route, activate, then execute. Now select the menu, then FS action prompt, select fuel prompt, enter 14,649 pounds in total fuel line select, check the total fuel quantity indication on the upper display unit. Let's discuss the unplanned refuel. Unplanned refuel is useful for those who want to practice touch and go with different weight configuration, or for practicing the fuel imbalance correction procedure, for example. Generally, it is not a means for refueling the airplane to fly an existing flight plan. The fuel page is self-explanatory. You have the preset fields prompts where you simply select your desired fuel set. You can also refuel by percentage by entering the value in percent in the second line select field. If you'd like to load the fuel directly to the tanks, you enter the fuel quantity using the three select lines designated as Tank 1, Tank 2, and Center Tank, and finally you can also use the total field in total line select. Pmdg 737 refueling tutorial is completed. See you in the next video.